We realized that this is something that we use on a daily basis with our kids and our pets, and that we really need to put a new door in that is usable for us. Our current patio door leaks. It's showing some rotting. I want a contractor that understands my needs and making sure that I'm happy with the product that's being installed.
My name is Paul Unferth. I am with Big Fish Contracting. A certified contractor, part of that and part of that name, you're wanting a homeowner to have a sense or have the feeling that, okay, this is a legitimate contractor, a contractor who's gone through things other contractors might not have, because it's important to them, and it's important because they want to continue to grow, they want to be around, and they want to take care of their homeowners.
Through Andersen's website, I looked for local contractors and asked them to come over and bring some samples with. My Andersen contractor came and was really personable, really looked at what my needs were and spoke with me for probably about a good hour, and really went through the different options of the doors and what might fit in my house with the situations that I want. One of the added benefits to working with Andersen Certified Contractor was I was able to get an extended warranty for 2 years, and that was very attractive to me in my purchasing decision. Another value with my Andersen Certified Contractor is he explained the whole process. So from start to finish, when the door is going to be ordered, when they come in, when they are going to remove the old door, what I should be expecting as a homeowner. My experience with my certified contractor has been great. I would certainly bring them back for other projects that I had within the house, windows, doors, remodels. The process of going through and selecting the door, the right specifications, and making sure that there was quick and timely follow-up was really important to me, and I would recommend them to anyone.